This is Casey Loop, and this is Tulsa Daily. With it being summer, there are a lot more injuries as people get out and try to exercise outside, get out to the lake. Well, Dr. Chris Parchuri, spine surgeon and founder of Spine and Orthopedic Centers of Tulsa, is here to talk about these injuries and what we can do to prevent and treat. Am I wrong in saying there are more injuries during the summer?
No, you're correct. Unfortunately, as it becomes swimsuit season, people tend to get into crunch time when it comes to working out. So you tend to find people working out not only once a day, but sometimes twice a day and even 3 times a day, and just overdoing it. And so they tend to injure a lot of the muscles and ligaments because they just, their bodies can't absorb that kind of punishment.
Well, when that happens, when we're working out and doing our CrossFit or whatever, and we think, we'll feel better tomorrow, when should we actually say, let's come see you to see if there's really a problem?
Well, it's important to listen to our bodies. I mean, you know, when you feel that immediate sense of pain, you should take it easy, let your body rest and recover to make sure it's not a serious injury. But if it's obviously something that causes gripping pain where you're having to take ibuprofen and it doesn't get better with that medication and it's still persistent, then that's pain that should be explored further by visiting a doctor.
And what do you do? I know you do surgeries, but that's not all you do.
Now, surgeries are usually a last option. I mean, usually you want to evaluate an injury. Most of the times, we're fortunate enough that it's an injury that improves with conservative care, physical therapy, rest, anti-inflammatories, those type of things. So surgery is just the last option.
And quickly, what can we do to prevent?
Well, it's just basically listening to our bodies, basically understanding when a serious injury is occurring. Don't try to work through it and say, you know, pain is good. And then warming up. I mean, I know it's 100 degrees outside, but you have to have the same principles as if it's 10 degrees outside. Continue to make sure that you properly acclimate to working out.
So listen to your body and listen to the expert. Call Spine and Orthopedic Specialists at 539-664-4448. Go online to sostulsa.com or visit them near 91st and Yale.